Welcome back or welcome to Katrina's Price's Home Life and More. It's a lifestyle channel, so I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my Price's kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And a live stream, well, the first Saturday of most months at 10 a.m. Now, in today's video, it's all about, laundry and cleaning. So stick and stay.
Can't seem to get it right. Won't let go of her pride. Can't see the pain like you do. No empathy remains. No openness for change. Reaching for the light to get us through. God, we want more.
So you can hear the washing machine and all of that, clothes washing noise. But I just wanted to pop in and say thank you so much to all of my loyal subscribers for sticking and staying with the channel. And I have so many new subscribers joining the Price's family. So, down in the comments, if you see someone new and they say, hey, I'm new, family, welcome them along with me. So, back to the laundry, and I need to do something with my hair. So, back to the video. So this is my laundry room / storage / mini pantry. So while the clothes are washing, I decided, well, I need to clear these shelves. So a little cleaning motivation for our laundry rooms on today as well.
You're always loving us through. Oh, you will never fail. Be there, you always will. Shine us with your light to get us through. God, we want more of you. Come, Holy Spirit. It's the love that we long for. Bring us together.
So if you're new here, like first time ever here, stumbled on the channel, well, I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and I'm a pastor. And I love sharing bits and pieces with my life here on YouTube. If you find anything that I do interesting and would love to see more, I would love for you to join my growing YouTube family. I'm on my way to 3K and we can do it together. So subscribe, do it right now. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Move and move. It's the love that we long for to bring us together. Make the broken things new. God, we want more of you. Of you. We longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart.
My least favorite, I'm talking least favorite chore, is really folding laundry. So creating this video is motivation for you and it's motivation for me. So if you are motivated on today, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. I'm pleased to say my laundry is completed. And my laundry room, well, it's organized, it's clean, and it smells fabulous. I thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch on today for this laundry and laundry room cleaning motivation. On your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, well, you should have done it already. But if you didn't, join my Priceless family. I'll see you real soon. Until next time, stay priceless.